back to my channel. Today I'm gonna do a mohawk style, but it's gonna be buns. You'll see. Try to get done because I'm not trying to be, running late. I actually washed my hair last night, so right now I'm just gonna spray it to get my hair into the first section. And I can almost guarantee you that it is not a straight part. So what I'm gonna do though is kind of, you don't really have to retwist. I'm not gonna retwist my hair. I'm gonna do like a quick small retwist, but I'm not gonna do that. What I'm gonna do is slick down my hair on the side with some lock gel. I'm using this. So I'm just gonna slick down the edges as much as I can. I'm gonna turn around and let y'all see the back. Here's the back. I got that first section. Now I'm about to actually turn it into a ball so y'all can see that part. Handy dandy hairnet. And I'm gonna put my body pin in there. I hope that looks good. Alright, now let's, okay, it looks pretty clean. See, that's why I don't worry about the part, because I know my hair, like, it's so thick, you can't see my parts nowhere, so. Oh yeah, I got my brows did today. I'm excited about that. I had to brush them out there. But this section, what I'm gonna do is leave some of my skin edges out, because I'm gonna put a lot of jewelry on those. I'm gonna go ahead and do a quick retwist on these, so it can already be in place. Another thing is too, I don't have any edge control, so that's a problem. So what I did was, on this second section, I'm gonna not leave them out, but I took out some of the front edges. I'm gonna swoop, you gonna see, because this bun is gonna be right on the top, like in the middle. So this is what I'm about to do.
She likes chocolate covered strawberries and wine. She likes notes that say I love you all the time. Roses at your feet, baby girl be mine. Baby girl be mine. Yeah, hey. Look, pick up your phone, I need your attention. My girl so bad, we call her detention. I am so glad we moved beyond friendship. I am so glad your mama like me. Sweat up with Cupid, told her fight me. I stole your love, he shot my heart. I'm losing breath, it's getting dark. I think I might need CPR. Tell me, do you love me like I do? Tell me what you willing to prove, cause I ain't got nothing to lose. It's true, you mean the world to me. Travel around the globe, but I know that you the only girl for me. And I gotta let you know, she likes chocolate covered strawberries and wine. She likes notes that say I love you all the time. Roses at your feet, baby girl be mine. Baby girl be mine. Look, you know you the baddest in the game. Show you how to blow like Lil Wayne. Baby, I ain't hard to please. Girl, tell me what you need. Year-round Valentine. I'm just tryna get some time with you. Would you spend the night with me? Maybe spend your life with me. Check me if I'm trifling. Let me be your bestie. Bonnie and Clyde when we flexing. Baby, we can stand the test of time. And you ain't even gotta second guess that. You mean the world to me. I travel around the globe, but I know that.
This is my final look. You see, my locks been so long. Like, I had added like jewelry. Don't get it mixed up with my, let me get this off. This is my top. I love this top. I got it from Shein. Okay, I'm about to show you the side. Boom. Other side. I'll show you the back. You know, I'm excited, y'all. I had fun doing this style. I'm gonna have to add it to the rotation. So, thanks for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and tap the notification bell so you can know every time me, your girl, the Curl Maverick, uploads another video. See y'all later.
Good morning. Time to get up. These glasses, jacket, and sweats, baby girl, that's a get up. It's chilly outside, but I'm ready to burn. Super hot fire when I move, better feel that burn. Get up before the sun is up, baby, let's work. Good morning. Ready or not, here I come, let's work. Good morning. Get up before the sun is up, baby, let's work.